students, today in this video I am going to explain you about that how various solutions, whether they conduct electricity or not, how we can test it. So different samples I have taken in this, and bulb I have taken, and electricity connection is there. So first I'll put these act as a electrodes here, metal rods are there. So I'll put in this one. So you can see the intensity of the bulb. Now I'll dip it in the next solution. So you can see the brightness in this solution, how bright it is. Then, so if you compare this one and this one, so it's quite bright. In this I have added sodium chloride. This observation you can see in this one also. Like if I add, this is the RO water I had taken. If I add salt in this, you can see how the intensity of the bulb increases, its brightness increases. So whether we add salt or acid or any base in it, then the intensity of the brightness will increase, or more electricity can be conducted in this. Now moving to the next solution. So I'll clean up the electrodes. One thing more you will notice, that if I dip these electrodes in solution, then bulb glows. But if I remove these electrodes, if I take out the electrodes from the solution, bulb does not glow. So it means circuit is completed only through the solution. So these ions, they help in passing the electricity from one part to another there. Just see if anything has happened. No. And if I dip it in this one, electricity is conducted. So means this solution does not conduct electricity. In this I had dissolved sugar in it. So you can see the just very little brightness, or that is because of only the water is there. Otherwise if I take a concentrated solution, let's see, it does not conduct any electricity in that. So now next, so we can conclude that sugar solution, it does not conduct electricity. Simple water can conduct electricity. If we add salt in this, then we can that can conduct electricity. The next sample I have taken is, this is a rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, available at the chemist shop there. It is used for making the sanitizer. So I took that one. So in that, if I add, so can you see anything happen? No. But if I dip it in this solution, light glows. So it means alcohol also does not conduct electricity. So sugar solution does not conduct electricity, and alcohol also does not conduct electricity. The next sample is glycerin. This is also quite useful for the mouth ulcers, also it is used. So let us see what happens in this. You can see anything happens? No. So bulb does not glow. So means glycerin also does not conduct electricity. So recheck it in this. So in the salt solution, it is conducting electricity. Then next sample we will take. This is a oil I have taken here, or any oil we can take in this. So if I dip in this, so no electricity conducted. But if I dip it in salt solution, the oil has stick to it, so that is why it is not conducting. Let me clean it. So you see, it can conduct electricity in salt solution. So simple tap water, RO water, if we add salt in that, the solutions can conduct electricity. But intensity vary. If we add acid, base or salt to the water, then conductivity of electricity increases in that. Sugar, alcohol, glycerin or the oil, they do not conduct electricity. So I hope you can identify that how we can find out if a solution can conduct electricity or not. Thank you.